everyone, welcome to BXST channel. Today we are pleased to introduce the BX-V753, a professional voltage protector designed especially for the Argentina market. Made from high-quality materials and undergoing strict testing, it guarantees durability and reliability. This model operates at 220 volts with a rated current of 10 amps. Its adjustable delay strut function with a wide time range of 1 to 999 seconds offers flexible and precise protection for various appliances. It features accurate voltage monitoring, activating low voltage protection when the voltage drops below the range of 150 volts to 210 volts, and high voltage protection when it exceeds 230 volts to 280 volts, ensuring your equipment stays within a safer operating range. Simply plug it in, and your refrigerator, TV, computer, and other important devices will receive all-around protection. With its robust performance and practical design, the BX-V753 is an ideal power guardian for both home and office use. Choose BXST for safer devices and more stable power. Contact us today for pricing and samples.